digital asset products face $1.94 billion in weekly outflows as Bitcoin, Ethereum lead withdrawals. Bitcoin, CoinShares, cryptocurrency. Journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Bitcoin. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Digital asset investment products faced another challenging week, with $1.94 billion in outflows, extending the current 4-week streak to $4.92 billion, the third largest outflow run since 2018, according to CoinShares report. While the market saw deep selling pressure across major assets, tentative signs of stabilization emerged late in the week as inflows returned on Friday. 4 weeks of outflows mark one of the largest runs since 2018. Last week's $1.94 billion in withdrawals marked the 4th consecutive week of selling, bringing the month-to-date total to $4.59 billion and the rolling 4-week total to $4.92 billion. According to CoinShares, this represents roughly 2.9% of total assets under management, AUM, and ranks as the third largest outflow cycle since turn-of-cycle washouts in February 2018 and March 2025. These outflows have been driven by a combination of profit-taking, macro uncertainty, and shifts in institutional positioning. CoinShares notes a 36% decline in AUM, reflecting both falling prices and recent outflows. Still, despite the negative momentum, year-to-date inflows remain strong at $44.4 billion, underscoring that long-term appetite for digital assets remains robust. Bitcoin, Ethereum lead withdrawals. Friday brings stabilization. Bitcoin remained at the center of last week's selling pressure, recording a massive $1.27 billion in outflows, accounting for the bulk of total withdrawals. However, the asset also showed the strongest recovery signal, posting $225 million of inflows on Friday, the best single-day turnaround across all products. Short Bitcoin products continue to attract investors seeking hedges against volatility. These products saw $19 million in inflows last week and $40 million over the past 3 weeks, now representing 23% of their total AUM. Short BTC AUM has surged an extraordinary 119%, reflecting elevated downside positioning even as markets stabilize. Ethereum saw $589 million in outflows, significantly deeper on a proportional basis, representing 7.3% of its AUM. Yet ETH also staged a modest recovery late in the week, with $57.5 million of inflows on Friday, suggesting some investors may view current levels as oversold. Solana suffers, but XRP breaks the trend with strong inflows. The altcoin picture was mixed. Solana, SOL, which has rallied hard through 2025, saw meaningful outflows of $156 million, continuing a cooling period as investors take profits after a strong year. Despite this, Solana's fundamentals remain strong, with institutional participation rising steadily over the past several quarters. XRP, however, stood out as the only major altcoin to attract significant inflows. The token recorded $89.3 million of new capital, bucking the broader market trend. The move suggests XRP's investor base is rotating back in amid growing interest in its payments-driven ecosystem and relative valuation appeal. Regional outflows led by the U.S., while Brazil and Australia see modest inflows. Flows by exchange country show the United States once again dominated the outflow picture, with $1.686 billion in weekly withdrawals, consistent with U.S. institutions driving much of the recent de-risking. Germany, Canada, Sweden and Switzerland also saw sizable redemptions, contributing to the weekly global total of $1.94 billion. In contrast, Brazil, $3.5 million, and Australia, $2 million, recorded modest inflows, indicating pockets of resilience outside major Western markets. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer ahead of Monad crypto launch. Expert warns of worst-case scenario. Google's Gemini AI predicts shocking prices for XRP, Picoin, Ethereum as crypto prices crash. XRP price prediction. Confidence fades as whales offload 250M XRP, key levels to watch. Price analysis. XRP price prediction, $2 support lost. Why the $1.80 level is now the last line of defense. 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Crypto markets plunge below key levels. Will BTC price rebound or retest lows? 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Billionaire crypto investor warns this is the last chance to buy BTC under $90,000. What does he know? 4 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 13 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 6 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 4 days ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 6 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 days ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.